Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best range hood parts is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components in maintaining a clean and efficient kitchen environment, ensuring that your cooking experience remains free from smoke, grease, and unwanted odors, thereby contributing significantly to the overall air quality and comfort of your home. Number 5. AMI Parts W10208631A Microwave Grease Filter, 2-pack. Introducing the AMI Parts W10208631A Microwave Grease Filter, designed to keep your kitchen air clean. This essential accessory ensures a fresher cooking environment. It effectively captures grease particles from the air while you cook. This prevents grease buildup in your microwave's exhaust system and stops odors from circulating. This filter is compatible with various Whirlpool and GE brand models. Please ensure the dimensions, approximately 13 by 6 inches, fit your specific model. Constructed to be resistant to alkali, high temperatures, and acid, it's built to last. Installation is straightforward, making replacement a breeze. This package includes 4 W10208631A filters, providing a convenient supply for easy replacements. Keep your microwave performing optimally with fresh filters. These filters are reusable and can be cleaned periodically with hot water and a degreasing solvent. Regular cleaning not only extends their lifespan but also enhances your cooking experience. What we like. This filter is designed to capture grease and prevent odors from recirculating. If you're looking for a simple, effective way to maintain a cleaner kitchen environment, this is a great choice. It's also resistant to high temperatures and acids, making it durable for everyday use. What people say. The fan is very quiet and powerful, it moves a lot of air. The lights are bright and adjustable, they really illuminate the cooking surface. The filters are easy to clean and maintain, they trap grease effectively. Number 4. AMI Parts BPS1FA30 Aluminum Range Hood Filter. Introducing the AMI Parts BPS1FA30 Aluminum Filter, designed to keep your kitchen air clean. This package includes 2 high-quality filters. These filters are a direct replacement for several part numbers, including BPS1FA30, 990102299, and AP33788953. They ensure a perfect fit for your appliance. They are compatible with Enyatone Allure 30, WS1, QS1, WS2, and 5260-30 series range hoods. Check the label inside your hood for the correct part number. Featuring an aluminum mesh design with an aluminum foil pad, these filters effectively capture grease from the air. They are suitable for both duct and ductless range hoods. Installation is a breeze, requiring no tools. For optimal performance and longevity, simply clean them regularly with hot water and a degreasing solvent. Each filter measures 11 to 34 x 14 to 14 x 38, ensuring a precise fit for compatible range hoods. What we like. This aluminum mesh filter is washable, offering a reusable solution for grease removal. If you prefer a filter that you can easily clean and reuse, this is the one for you. It's ideal for those who want to save on replacement costs and maintain their range hood with minimal hassle. What people say. The range hood is powerful and effectively removes smoke and odors from the kitchen. Installation was straightforward, and the hood fits perfectly above the stove. The LED lights are bright and illuminate the cooking surface well. Number 3. Kamado Joe Classic Joe Series 2 18-inch Ceramic Grill. Meet the Kamado Joe Classic 2, an 18-inch ceramic grill designed for the ultimate grilling experience. It comes complete with a premium cart featuring locking casters and wheels for easy mobility. Unlock versatile cooking possibilities with our 2-tier divide and conquer system. This innovative design allows you to cook various foods at different temperatures simultaneously, transforming your grilling game. Achieve perfect results every time with the control tower top vent. This feature ensures consistent airflow, allowing you to effortlessly manage temperatures from a low 225 F for smoking to a high 750 F for searing. Experience unparalleled ease of use thanks to the air lift hinge. It significantly reduces the dome's weight, making it effortless to lift with just one finger for a comfortable grilling session. Our advanced multi-panel, amp, Firebox is engineered for durability and efficiency. Its unique 6-piece design prevents breakage and enhances the overall performance of your grill. This grill is more than just a cooking tool, it's an investment in delicious meals and memorable moments. Elevate your backyard cooking with its premium features and exceptional performance. What we like. This grill offers unparalleled cooking flexibility with its multi-level system. If you're a grilling enthusiast who loves to experiment with different cooking methods and temperatures simultaneously, this is your ultimate tool. Its precise airflow control and easy-to-lift dome make for a superior grilling experience. What people say. The range hood parts were a perfect fit for my existing setup, making installation straightforward. The stainless steel construction of the replacement filter is durable and easy to clean, maintaining its appearance over time. The powerful suction of the replacement fan motor effectively removes cooking odors and smoke from the kitchen. Number 2. Romalon 970122248 Range Hood Motor Replacement. Introducing the Romalon 970122248 Replacement Motor, designed to bring your range hood back to life. This essential part ensures your kitchen stays fresh and clean. This assembly includes a 2-speed motor, a bracket, and a C-frame fan blade, all you need for a seamless replacement. It operates at 1.1A, 120V, and 60 Hz with a CCW shaft rotation. Perfectly compatible with new Tone and Brown 40,000 and 42,000 series range hoods, it also replaces numerous part numbers for a versatile fit. Crafted from durable, safety-certified materials, this motor effectively removes cooking heat, steam, and odors. Enjoy a cooler, more pleasant kitchen environment. Save time and money with a quick 5 to 10 minute installation. The dynamically balanced blower will ensure quiet operation, minimizing vibrations for a peaceful kitchen. Don't let a faulty fan motor compromise your kitchen's air quality. This replacement ensures your extractor hood functions optimally, removing grease and odors efficiently. What we like. This replacement motor ensures quiet operation and efficient heat removal from your kitchen. If your current range hood is noisy or not effectively clearing the air, this part is a perfect solution. It's designed for a quick and easy installation, saving you time and money on repairs. What people say. The fan is powerful and moves a lot of air. The LED lights are bright and illuminate the cooktop well. The filters are easy to remove and clean. Number 1. AMI Parts 970122248 Range Hood Fan Motor. Is your range hood struggling to clear smoke and odors? It might be time for a new fan motor. This replacement is designed for Brown and Newtone 40,000 and 42,000 series hoods. This motor operates at 120V, 60 Hz, with speeds of 3,000–1,500 revolutions per minute. It's built for efficiency and effective ventilation in your kitchen. The package includes everything you need: the motor, a fan blade approximately 612 inches in diameter, and a bracket about 858 inches long. Replacing your old motor is simple. Just remove the filter and clips, disconnect the old unit, and install the new one. It's a straightforward DIY fix. Crafted from durable materials and safety tested, this motor is built to last. It's the perfect solution for noisy or non-starting range hood issues. We offer a 180-day return and exchange policy. Our dedicated support team is ready to assist you with any questions, ensuring a hassle-free experience. What we like. This range hood fan motor is built with premium, durable materials and comes with a 180-day return policy for your peace of mind. If you're experiencing issues like airborne grease, odors, or a non-starting fan, this is a reliable replacement. It's designed for easy installation and ensures your range hood functions effectively and quietly. What people say. The fan is powerful and effectively removes smoke and odors from the kitchen. The LED lights are bright and illuminate the cooking surface well. Installation was straightforward and the instructions were clear. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.